Wagwan Dalvy, you don't know, see a proper spice. Big up Portland, you don't know, you see it? Yeah, Dalvy thing, come and get a nice vibe, you see it? Support the local heritage, cause you don't know, you know. Yeah, you see it? Come on the bush cooking them, riverside trip, whole heap of music, whole heap of vibes, struck off in a river, coconut water, everything live up there. Then after, check proper spice and go back at the airport, you see it? Wagwan Dalvy, that is it. Hot food to the world, for the boy and for the girl.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your girl DJ Dalvy there live and direct. Yeah man, they up on the hilltop, yeah. I go down. Yes, so today I'm not gonna see Peter, but not working on the site. But we'll be doing some work, yeah man. So this morning we're gonna burn some coal. Yeah, I'm burning some coal for the HQ and also sell man. So that's how I go on in the morning. So you guys will see how everything go, you know. It's my first time, yeah. It's my first time when I see a coal skill actually back on, you know what I mean? Yeah, me and my uncle did for do one. I think I went last year we did a prep some wood for do it. I think the year before, and we never actually get to do it. So I don't know. So that was that. So this morning Peter and Randy I go do one this morning. Yeah man. So now just go and big up on yourself. Remember, like out the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Right out now. Work on a little coal skill. So actually what they want to do now, they want to clear a little area, start fucking up the woods and stuff like that. You know? So that's a going. One Peter out there.
Out there.
Yo, the only people have not see you for the work, you know, they must say.
Wait, I'm
They must say, one Peter out there.
You can't see me.
Yeah.
I'm
Peter cover a thing a day with car, you know.
You man, they must say, I wonder if I get to that, yo.
Peter at the dog girl the villa do some work, I build a big stone wall, you know. Yeah, so that's why the people never see me for a while. Yeah man, Peter rock out man.
That is it.
With the girl the ville and them place there, you know. I do it much.
Straight
up.
Straight up.
Yeah.
more there.
From the other day.
Them can't see me.
We not too broke, you know.
Yeah, it's a far and the food them are see me. Like your Jamaican slang.
You know, I said, man, that was a set piece of them wall left, so.
Oh, don't have bill?
Never got in there.
So they are working on a little project.
Happy blow stop with the corner back on there.
You can't touch
Eh?
that. No.
Blow stop with the corner.
Oh, I think I put them there.
Cut up this.
Cut up this.
That's all. And yeah, shot. Them place there. Cut off that one.
Alright.
Yeah, on it. I'm over you, sir.
Which one? That's all? No?
Yeah, no. Cut this half first.
Oh,
I
understand.
can cut off. Yes, up to you first. But cut off this. Yeah. The rate can draw down.
Yes, so we have a star right here. No? Look at sir, look at sir.
Now move it out there. Do it. It's alright, man.
It's alright, man. I'm not chicken it out there, man.
You take that to live off, right?
Easy.
Just see it coming. I got so far up there.
Come on, so. We are active outside. One thing.
Hold on. Pull up. And tap it out. Watch your back.
Come on, so let me clear up. Jump off that.
Now we have to clean up the place, you know. Like I eat, we have to eat food. We work with there, you know. So you know the thing, though. If we part left them, I will live again in a car and go piece side of cut off. Grow back.
Now grow back again.
What?
Are we about to sit
You
here?
can cut part leg in two and I come back. Grow back. You have to mince him up in a 10 piece.
Where's it?
40 leg.
40 leg, oh.
Centipede. We are calling 40 leg a centipede in name.
Buy any
Bamboo.
I sit in the bunk for them.
You say buying it.
Bamboo there.
Some bamboo at the front time.
Where?
Right there, sir. Look over here, sir.
Bamboo, oh. Yeah, man.
I see that in them moves, you know.
Buy enough, man. You have to go burn enough fire up here. Like bamboo.
Burn them out.
Oh, man, I'm planting to it. And anyway, you plant, you kind of plow the place. Try to plow it. Like when you all apply that shit, you have to plow the place.
I buy it.
Yeah, plow it up. I buy it.
I'm not sure that I'm plow it up.
Watch
Put
it,
some
man.
39.
What of them bite me one time? Put it.
Put some 39.
Sun
39 and weed it up now. Plow it.
If you have enough dirt to cover this thing, dirt.
I'm dirt to cover this thing.
You do better believe if you don't have dirt, you don't.
Oh, like, you should be careful too because them for real.
That place buying it.
I don't know what
So I
you
carry on
say.
the grass over.
I think it's the low, sir.
But what kind of grass over, you know? Never do it.
Yeah, it's a good workout, man.
All them have to do is clean up, go up in them places, so they and draw back the rubbish and go over, so now. You understand, Andy? The foundation, we have line up and now if you get him, some small one on the ground. And get him up. No. Oh, the king doing thing. And the small one now push on him, the fire. When I start pocket pick them. Start pack all them one.
Them have a soap wood. All sort of thick.
Yeah, what's them around there?
Soap wood mostly.
Soap wood mostly.
And rose up.
Soap wood and rose apple.
Right now, yeah. So now we have soap wood and a couple rose apple. We have a deal with a new farm hunting, so we have a couple pieces of stick and instead of we waste them, we utilize it, make some money with it.
Now some charcoal.
Yeah, straight up.
Come on.
Charcoal.
Yeah, so the rose apple them, the rose apple wood them and we cut them down, you know. Melissa brought down the tree them because wood no cut down the rose apple, you know, because you know that are fruits, yeah. But Melissa tear down the rose apple tree them, so we just get that out of the way quick and fast. Alright. So I set the foundation, you know.
No joke.
That is it, man.
It's not about packing the skill, you know?
Fucking the skill. Why they call it skill?
Coal skill? Well, then, well,
Look one up is a coal there now.
no reason why they
It's a
call
goal
it.
there, you know.
Yes, reason why they call it coal skill. Remember, you know, you have to make,
There you go.
it's a oven, you know, it's a oven, you know. Because really and truly, you can't make the fire escape, so the fire have to burn in there until then I burn out, so I must up like that, make them call it coal skill. We bad go hear the name coal skill.
Go like the fire.
Yeah.
I know out back.
Simple. So that's why I have to put in all them little pieces in there. Because them are going to hold the fire, you know. Them little small piece, they have to kind of pop out and then little nigga there. And when I light it, Yeah, man, don't let me down.
You better lick it down for the side.
Yeah, man, I say I'm working out. Remember, whatever working out. Yeah. So, these are 2 towels. Get a shot. Basically, we just a pack and fit in. So overall, when we finish, we have a round nice little skid right there. So. What is the salad? Bad boy, machine man. What? I have to hold him to you know. You cut your teeth, you know. You can't play, you think you can play with it? Powerful machine. As small as him is in Talawa. Machine, yeah. Powerful. As little as him is in Talawa. Watch this, in Talawa. Shoot! You must shoot! I love it. I love it, I love it. I love it, Dalby! What? You can do all carving work. Yes, the machine all the carver they need them. Nice machine. Yeah, make a little boat.
Yeah.
This can do a whole heap of little cutting out and make like see.
I'm a raft I'm a bamboo raft.
You know, say, I can make it for you, but you have to go down and watch here anyway up so and video one of them and carry come and they will make it after that.
Okay, okay.
We like see what they do, you know. Pattern.
Yeah.
That means to say, yeah, we know how much bamboo they're panning.
Jaja.
Exactly, everything we have to catch.
Just like fish pot.
Yeah, and then we got to do it. Know whether you use the wire, we tie it, we bind
Everything.
it, everything. We will catch everything and then we go build it.
That
So
is
we
it.
can't miss.
Yeah, miss.
So if you catch a video,
We know how to go on, man. We know how to get it, man.
so
Yeah.
we build what we want. Randy, all them have to clean up in a Randy. You can't just put them in a coal kiln like this, you know.
Okay.
Simple. Listen, mate, them enough of them where you're throwing like that.
Have it clean off.
Yeah, we have to get them like them something.
Okay.
We don't want them and I fi coming down and so come clean off. We don't want them to clean off, you know. So.
You tell me know for do.
Yeah, we don't want them up on it. Not true, it's a course killing a brother. Alright. You still have to deal with it. You still have to do this then, you know? Yeah. Simple.
That is it.
Yeah. Okay. This. Where I go with that?
That's it. We are going that. We don't want that.
Where I go with that? Alright,
We are going to pot with that.
The big saw, you know. What did you? Saw ya. Bullet. Which country make it?
Which one?
Jamaica make it?
No, not Jamaica make it. Sorry Jamaica, but not Jamaica make this one.
Who make this?
It's more look like it a Chinese make this.
A Japanese, a Chinese them. Yeah,
Chinese them full of skins, you know,
put
man.
them little youth there, little people there.
Yeah, man.
Shots.
Okay, man.
Outside.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man, it's alright, man. It's a go on, man.
That work lovely.
It's a go on with himself.
Yes, that go with himself. No, lie.
Not ready for fire yet.
I'm ready for that yet.
Clear up good, man. Yeah, ram some plant in there, you see.
Stop it, what do now? We're there for a video, you know, brother.
Sorry.
Movie, we are dealing, you know, my friend.
One more, man. No video I go on, but
You never know.
What about do them have a got out?
All this thing I can become. Great.
a viral, man.
Yeah. Randy. Oh, enough stick, you know.
No fair, man?
Man, they stick them close to me, man. Then they're far from me, I say, you know.
No, come on, man.
Yeah, you come
You
close.
know why me no want come? Me no want to take up any stick here.
Man, them fat
I
one.
mean, like stone
Some of
wall,
them
you know.
fat one, man.
Take out some of the fat one. See, I look fat one too.
No, some of them look like a broke back, brother.
Brought back this.
Broke back. No, give me that.
Take a chop off a little with spot. Yeah, so.
Me put your little piece in there, so I'm last time.
Take this round.
Me there, you know, around there. What's me?
Come on.
Some of them look stick at up. One of them. Pushing out them hold that nice space there. One of them space there. And take out. Then like a coal kiln bus. Sing. Because they know nothing in there to hold you. So then look at space there. You know, one of them in high. Too much. So chop off all them little bramble stick them on. Chop them up fine and two over, give me them.
Small him.
Some of them. Yeah, fine on them. Sharp. And give me them. You still a chop something now with bramble on it. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
You know you're not here.
I'm learning, my friend.
You know you're not here, brother. How do you?
I learn now, man.
Don't give me the bramble. All this. Look, you chop this in two right to the bump here again.
Yeah. Short on this one, eh?
Yeah, man, short. Short.
Ram
Yeah,
teeth,
them,
man.
something like that.
Give me some. Can't cut the small one, them.
Yeah, you can go the small
Yeah,
one, them
what
I
you
can't
say,
cut it. You can't cut the small
You
one.
can't
Them.
cut that, you know.
You have to press the little button for the side and hold on the trigger.
Oi, listen, you can't cut that, you know. Listen,
No.
watch this. See, see this? Press this and squeeze.
Oh, no, you know.
Well, listen. Hold on. Move this now, yes, sir. Come, put the shoulder. Right, yes. Nice. Good. Yo.
Yeah, fully at it.
Fully leave that shit.
You know the paper my yard.
So, we're fully active on the work, you know. Just there go and do what we can do.
Active.
Yeah, man. Just a pack a small one today. And then the next day we come all out. Come all out the next day when we have a...
Fresh.
Yeah.
So you want to work in the dirt today. So you don't want it too huge.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Hold it for dirt like that.
Yeah, so just cut up on a pack, you don't know it go. And they get them cut up, cut some small pieces and thing. You know, Peter Kai one way do the packing, you know.
Not so.
Yeah, man, you pack stone wall and a pack. Pack. Hey, man, the packer, man. Yes.
Yeah.
I see him like when he pack the stone wall to take it up. I see him tell me say man all full of all the gap them and I said then little space there. You just remind me I went there we had the stone wall.
Yes, I.
But see that's the one of fat one they cut.
What's the cut? The next corner this you know out of the top pack up.
Oh.
The cover color so.
Okay.
In that space I now I have to full out and then I start set some on top. So all of them look a space right now time to you still have to chop some of them there. Give me a couple of pieces of them there. The piece that I shovel and thick piece there, give me them. And short one out. Yeah. I call this. Then in so now I try to two look.
Cut them in a two man.
No, man, I'm not even one of them.
Yeah, some of them long run there. I try to
No, but I must say when you go up top, you know.
yeah, but more on them short now. I don't want when we reach up top. I don't talk up top. I talk
When
about
we
now.
chat up with
All this could have cut in a tree.
Give it.
that me I tell him.
All this could have cut in a two. Some of them. What you cut that to them? Go on, show it. Take time, show it. Put the fear part to the head. Evening with that. Evening with them there. Even?
Even man. Move that piece here where there your foot. The piece will lean up.
I want some another hole there. You can't go and put some another hole there in a DJ. You can't put piece to that corner. Yeah? You have to put size that you can hold it there. You have to make them come up to them. You have to put it and hold it. You have to take your time with that. I said take your time when you can hold. You put back piece around there so to lock up that. This I have one special place to go.
You know, so me I look for this. I look for this on the road. I want to go and put a piece of stick here. It's a special
I want
place.
head too, you know. I want head count. I want head, you know. See how you have funny. Watch it. See how you funny there. I want to look at head, you know. Watch it. Like I want head. Yeah, man. Yeah, they're funny. Right now, yeah, man. Serious.
Call him, Randy.
I want head.
And you want him.
No, we don't want him. I'll put him in the fire. I want bun today.
And you want him, man. Go fight him. Or shave the dog.
Can't fix this up, man.
Mm-hmm.
You can't like it sitting there.
It's spoiled, man.
You have a damage in it.
That's what I'm saying. Head cut off. Let me know what block there, so. Tell us if you not to want things in the way.
Peter, they say the time we put them there, no?
Yeah, man, but we did not use them. So one them over here so serious. Time. Everything is nice. I length one and the dry one. Good length.
Dry one them.
I should have use them now.
How them have for Peter?
Them they look weak, Mario. The time man say me a pocket thing and more sitting for ram in the ground.
So now I'm there, I'm doing the thing, brother.
Hold the side I stick up.
I'm gonna move so.
But the size there, hard to hold the ram. Come on, hold this up now. We don't have it already, you know. I know if you tap your hand one time. Go on to here. Go, sir. Go over the post along the road. Thing too long. Look, you know, you can't help him to, you know, really, Randy. So I say you can't just do that. The thing are ugly, you know. Take time, come with me. Take time, come with me. Over here, son. Alright, come, push under here, son. Push small one. Under here. Oh, that's it. And look, you know, this is space in a little one. You put all, you chop on the afraid to chop little thing in around there. No, no. And you want to see what you want, nothing to put in there, to put in. I'm not telling you again, you know. And you want to see what you can push it in your wall, you want to push them in there, yes, sir. You know that, sir? Drop some in there, sir. Drop some in there, sir. Now you can drop some in there, sir. And drop a piece of stuff there, sir. Okay, I'll take put him in there, sir. Right there, sir. Hold there, sir. Yeah, so now, I want some over dry, that's something I like to, you know. When you come to work, DJ, it's not a joke thing, it's a work thing. You work for your heart with people. You see me, I say? Put your finger on there. Put you in the stick them, the small stick them better. When you come to work, you come to work. Call if I fear one, I respond to you, you know. If you don't want to work, sorry there, I'm going to work. But my son, I work, me come for work, I'm not busy with you. You can't stay there, man. You tell me about your farm, man. You cut too much short one.
You know, cut short one yet.
Boy, you cut too much short one for the morning. Be here, you know.
I'm gonna cut one leaf and it done now, you want to look like a machine again. And I have to wait too.
Wait. That's your defan. That's your defan, man.
If I last, and the machine done.
Because nobody does, man. Just work with the
Every
motive.
wait your defan, you know. You tell me about wait. Tell the man for to pick them. Chop off all them limbs off and pick them. The man of them. You tell me use them. Big man, I tell you chop off the limb them better. After I pick them, my yard. You come for hold me up and work.
See, and I help him.
All the man hold up the work, but I feel work, you know.
You know what kill a brother you want to
I feel work, I hold up the work.
All of you want to
burn up the work.
all them bump there.
What's up, man? I think them want to put on the Coal Kiln, you know.
You know, since you done me, I done up the work though.
The man have found one heap of parrot. No wind up on no DJ. That's on him, that's on, you know, my friend. A small stick, you know, because I think the man move more. What's so much ground going around me? I can't walk around the Coal Kiln for the man cut. I'll be show them something up on the video, man. The man has put ground going the way. I'm not going to walk. Clear the way.
And I put gangling out the way. Clear the way so we can walk around the program we are going on.
Motor little brother, you know.
It's a motor little brother.
Yeah. come in.
You sure see, I know you are Muta little brother.
I mean, man, Make me come, me have to move around the coast kill and too much of them sitting here, I block up here so. Let me use them out. Hey. You see that them whole here? All of them thick them in and put part under here so. You know, do you think them good?
So Randy I get some no worry you say.
No, do you think them good in the brother?
Randy I line up some small piece now. We are going nice now.
Good. Make me feel good. I make you sing feel good and born good. This needs to chop up. I'm sure I can put it on plate.
Wait. This should come off.
No. I'm sure I can put it on plate. Just stick that too far, man. I want to put the stick in there now. Don't get away with them, man. Tell see them stick in front of me, now. Use them out, you know. Can't stay there. It's too long or something. I'm never had to see it.
Oh, this can grow much, but it's alright.
Yeah, put it there now.
Lift up me.
Flat up.
Hmm?
Up there. Right, so yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, man.
Anything you can find, man, just use them.
Set them ready up on top.
Anything you find, man, use. You know find?
It's uncut.
This camper come right round to the bank, so you know. But we don't have enough stick. You see me say around there?
Anything we are doing?
No, I hear me say. Yeah. If say me they have more stick, yeah. I could have pack it come round, look more round in our banking. But make for now, we have put aside that to get going. And use up for your hand. Ready to
Some piece up there, do you know?
How you have we are use now? You see that we have. No piece there.
No, me a that piece there, we have up there, so.
I don't know what's about that.
No, them there that.
So me a work, you know, so
Me know, see, they say I
to that piece there. And them there, forgive me.
Yeah.
That bumpy piece there, long there, so.
Oh.
Take two of them up. Yeah, that's take them with the back, you know.
You want to chop, man.
Drop them as one.
So, lad, so I'm to them.
Yeah, give me that bumpy piece there, that ugly piece there, long there.
The chocolate piece.
See that
Oh.
pressure for the bump on it. Anything when I come with now, no carry me, you know. Anything come in, I feel at the top.
That one piece I attack.
Give me. Then I know if you get rid of that, man. Find some of put them down. Anyway, I can put them down. Anyway, I can put things down. I post you ready. Just look and put piece all over here.
Where my shit? This one bounce off. You must shit around that corner. I say, can I reach on there?
Hold on.
Oh.
Can I reach on that one, but now
Yeah, I see. Yes, yeah.
too much thing down near the coast killer now use, you know. You have to walk around, you know. Anything we now put on the coast killer.
Let me my shit. Like
Then I walk.
Yes,
You hear that? Anything we now use on the coast kill,
Yeah.
you know, I walk with. Nothing I walk with. Nothing I walk with, you hear that?
Look how me I go put in there. Look how I go. Hey, me Charlie stick, you know. Hey, me think I stick, me think I stick, you know, me I get ready, me put in and me look at pick at the body. Oh, God. Watch yourself. Yeah, bouncy camera.
I want to give me weather. I want to give me my using a Coal Kiln, you know.
Yeah, you like that then we there, no? But where we give you?
Give me them.
Go on back to where do me give them. Oh, this is massive we cut. Oh, that one. Can't go.
None of this.
It's not there.
Move that out there.
Move that out there, sit.
No, no, Billy.
We are going up. But you chop up all there. We have this up. Them thick one there. Them there. They walk side around there. But give me them there. First thing I have to catch off them the side coal all over there talking now. I never know, you know. I have to catch off the foot.
Alright.
So the bushman work, you know?
Yeah.
Quick and fast, we are grass them and light in plant.
Gash them and light them.
You could have no one like this. Yeah. Up there far, you know.
Up here far?
You get what I say?
Up far with the picture, man.
Yeah. Find wall and put them.
Enjoy piece of can you see light it.
Remember we are catching fire, you know. Use them in some hole on it. And start get the grass them together. Hold it for bush, you know. Bush
Well,
are
it's
wicked.
not go weed down, man, and carry down.
Bush wicked, no.
Weed never go weed down.
You know, so you're not ready to do it yet. You have a day when time come. So when you're done, give me stick of one, but we'll start the grass. Down. After you're done, pick up stick. You give me grass. You chop, we have to chop. Put in a hole. Wow, the hole is neat.
Yeah, man, so we're fully outside same way. They here from morning, you know. I put this thing here. Yeah, man. I make sure you put good, you know.
That's where you pack, you know, but you pack, you can't burn. You can't burn, DJ.
This is you can burn, man.
We do it for the wheel, the tool, the saw, you cut and put in.
Yeah.
Let it have a lift.
Oh, this your hand?
Yeah, that's it. Now, let's that chair position that over there. Alright. Not that. Next one.
Next base?
Yeah. Position right there.
Hold on. Which one?
Alright, cut off your side. This side. Whoa! Let's not tear down.
Jesus.
Catch, move the catch, man.
Jesus Christ. I will move the catch.
Polish. By Randy, come we finish.
Jesus.
No, don't move the catch, man.
I don't know.
Catch too quick.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. But I catch it back in about mistake too long.
You get carried away, man. I am big dog. Look bunny and tell me say fuck.
Yeah, fuck with the catch.
No bring me the catch. kind of pull on that back viewers and subscribers.
No, pull it down back too far. No, pull it down far. Okay, stove over catch.
That's it. Catch move.
Never.
Pull on back.
You see this? I have to move this first. I'll get the catch.
I fix up back guys. And look part kind of just pull on for a while ago.
No, not just some small. No move there. So I peg them there.
If you pick did it a while ago, that would not happen to you, no?
No, that would not, man. I may move them. I catch them. So I move it. So I have to go around back and take them. Only they take them. You use them up.
Yeah, but find different peg now.
One peg. You want that peg. One long one.
And you just start getting some whisk.
Long one, you know?
You soon see him come now with the whisk.
And they kind of too long for me.
Oh. Yeah man, so I go on. Dry food I do it today, no? Corn, beef, hot and spicy corn beef with whole wheat bread, you know? The phone a ring, Peter. The phone a ring. Flavor splash. Big up all viewers. Big up all subscribers, you know. Just take a little break and grab something to eat. You know. Yeah, from over there. I buy one bread. And just couple slices. I want to tell you, I eat most of the bread. So get back to work, so I'm just going to stay locked in and clocked in. Remember, like up the video, all the viewers, all the subscribers in the UK, Canada, USA, please hype up the video. Hey man, big up on yourself. Stay tuned. Yeah, loaded procedure now, so time for cover up now, you see Peter. Cover up time. Gracias, no. And set a grass up, you know, for dirt, and thing, you know. Well, back. Yeah, I don't know why Randy lied for you up there, so. He's not following the instruction. Randy not following the instruction. Randy lied for you up there. So, a grassy man then dirty, you know. Olive oils. I make fire get up and way up here. We see how you see the water if you drink. Walk him up, Peter. Walk him up. What? Yeah, it's not me not help you, no?
Yeah, go find your mic.
Me have to go find my mic. That's what I say. I don't know we call last mic up here again. Bush want the mic. Age. Alright, so this is how I go on now. Yeah man, so couldn't find my microphone for my camera, but I find it one thing. So a coal scale pack, but we don't get to light it. I have to light it and must it dirt it and something on next time. Randy, I don't know Randy go light fire this so far. You get me I say? So we can't get to light this thing at the again, so the next day thing.
You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone horribly confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? I know we can't pick and choose. I might just fall for you. It's not all win or lose, no black and white, there's color too. And I know how bad this sounds, but the silence is too damn loud. Guess you're not that bad. Did I say that? What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand this. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? Should I say no? Should I say no? I can't say no. I can't say no. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no, I can't say no. Oh, I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I know I'm falling for the villain, and it's a really, really bad decision. Oh, and I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold? I can't say no.